Hello guys, good evening. We're back again in this episode. These drinks that I can make tonight is gonna be a twin lake. We have a really popular twin lake in this province. Actually, they call Twin Lake Balanan actually, and it's really nice in the mountain. They have like really nice resort down there too, and that's what I can name these drinks. This drink is gonna be a build actually. It's not shaken, it's not stirred, just build. I infuse actually some of these white rum with jackfruit. This just almost a week, but they got a little bit flavor. But if you get this for a month, actually, this really nice flavored. But it's really good if you make a mojito, maybe a jackfruit mojito. This is really good. So this is one white rum with infused with the jackfruit, and then I got the coconut rum. I got the Blue Curacao, and then I got the Grenadine Syrup. And this time I'm gonna use the Mentos Candy actually, just a little bit, just to give a little bit of flavor. People maybe think that it will explode or something. It's not, know what you're doing. So that's the only things. And I got the soda actually. It's like it's Sisto Calamansi soda. And I got the resin. This is gonna be a garnish anyway. It's a dried, grapes. So I'll get the ice. So I got this model and I got the shaker actually. This time I'm gonna use cross ice, although I don't have a cross ice machine, so I gonna do it manually. There's lots of technique actually to make a cross ice. So this one I use the model and put this in the shaker and model. So you got the cross ice. Or if you go on the bar also, this is not available. You can use the model and the table napkin, just pound it and then let it cross. So that's all the technique, My bar spoon is missing, so I gotta use my spoon. So this is how you get the cross ice, right? So you see you have cross ice now. See, add this Grenadine, about 15 ml actually. So there we go. See, nice cross ice, right? Perfect. And then it's not enough, so you have to add a little bit more. And put back this in the freezer so it still has good ice. There we go. About a jigger of the white infused of the jackfruit rum. And then the coconut rum, about 45 ml. There we go. And then you have to add Mentos. This Mentos Candy. See this? Got it? Just two. That's it. And of course, safety first. So knife. This is my lemon in the backyard actually. It's kind of different. So lots of seeds though. So this, I just get this in the backyard. About a quarter of the lime, a lemon, not the lime, it's a lemon. All right. See, lots of seeds. This is my backyard lemon. Well, it's juicy, so it's still good. And then top with this soda. And then you have to pour this slowly, about 15 ml again. See, the Mentos is floating right now. Garnish. Smell is really good. And then put this on top, the raisin. A little bit of crushed ice. A little bit more. There we go. This is your twin lake. I'll give you the twin straw also. And here we go. Cheers, guys. Please, again, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button and share it in my Facebook page, and then I got the Instagram also. And then please check out my YouTube channel all the time, and please comment if you have any that we can improve. So thank you so much. Have a good night.